There's nothing there.
Here. Open mo nito.
And this.
Ah, short.
Wow.
Superman short.
Spider-Man, Superman.
Superman na. Dari ang Superman short. For Niagara.
And this.
This is birthday dude.
Yes, my birthday.
Yeah, birthday dude.
And this
This is...
birthday.
No, it's a dinosaur.
Can I see?
Reason. It's a dinosaur. More pa, more. Here.
What's that?
It's a bio.
Is this?
Yeah, and what's that?
And this. Sure. Wait.
Ate, it's his birthday, Ate.
No, this Spider-Man. This Spider-Man. Wait, oh no.
Sige.
Wait.
It's okay, I can adjust it. Here. May muscles pa siya. And your... What is that number?
Number 3.
3. And you are?
What?
Years old.
Oh.
Strong best strong. Yeah, this is Ate. It's from Ate. Happy birthday, Bryson. You are turning 3. Pipi pa.
Agkaray.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Bryson. Happy birthday, Bryson.
Happy birthday, dear
Bryson. Happy birthday to you.
Yay, we love you, Bryson.
Later.
What's the cake now?
Where's the cake?
Oh,
No,
later pa,
tama, no? Love you, baby. Oh, sleepy pa. Love you. Kiss mama, baby.
Wala ka birthday, masika isena lo na ako sa iya. Oh, si Chloe ang mag-ano.
Okay lang.
Sandali ka. Dito na lang ako dito.
Picture po tayo.
Okay po sana yun dun, ma'am. Para dito tayo picture. Meron lang sa right side pa.
Ay, tama.
Dito pa. Ginawan sa blow. Dali siguro na. Libot lang.
One piece, green. Water green dali.
Abot si Papa. Modern na chip po. Hindi ka maglusot dari o.
Si Papa po.
Papa.
Saka ko. Ano siya, ganyan ka klawan. Ganyan guys. Yeah.
Ay, dugay.
Happy birthday!
Okay.
Your birthday? How old are you?
2, 3.
3 years old.
3 years old. Ate say 7.
Ate is 7 and you are
3.
3. Ate, no. Socks. I need socks for me. Just wait for me, ha? Just talk to pa. Suryahaan na siya, papis. Ay, busy pa po.
You woke up? You sleep?
Pa, kapalo na ni siya mag-Matthew 22:37. Go. Matthew.
22. I will watch a cut of myself. As you 22.
Mhm.
Papa wants a cut.
Love the Lord your God.
Of a heart, I was of a
1 John 2:15.
is not our heart and ending not a content.
Do not love the world or anything in the world. Na, amo na iya nga memory verse. And Hebrews 13:5.
Keep it right here, money and the tent. What you have, the tent.
Keep your life free from the love of money. Be content in what you have.
How to set for
For he has said, I will never leave you nor forsake you. Wow! Tatlo na yung memory verses, Papa.
Bago pa na mong tao.
It's Papa put.
Yeah, that's my Papa.
Not Papa put.
We
That's my
celebrated your
papa.
birthday. Yeah, we celebrated
Thank
your
you,
birthday.
everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
Love the world or anything in the world. Okay. Hebrews 13:5.
Keep your life free, your money and the tent.
For he has said,
That's not to you.
I will never leave you.
Thank
Ah. Bye-bye, Lola Boys.
Bye bye.
Hindi daw siya magbabay pa.
Bye bye.
Love,
I love you, Lola Boy.
Love you,
love.
You're my
Love you.
best friend.
my friend.
You're my best friend, Lola Boy.
My best friend, love.
Pray for our money to go there.
Yeah, we have a lot of money.
Not the money.
and buy plane tickets. Love you.
you.
Bye-bye.